The coronavirus epidemic seems to be losing steam. Financial markets cheered the news that the number of new confirmed cases was falling, thus reviving demand for risky assets. After a week-long rally, the US dollar has lost some of the earlier gains. Despite a minor retracement, the US dollar index remains at elevated levels. It opened the New York trade at 98.7. The greenback gained support from yesterday's rhetoric in Jerome Powell's testimony. He again assured markets that the regulator does not find it appropriate to fine-tune monetary policy as the US economy proved its resilience. Besides, the Fed's leader downplayed the significance of the coronavirus threat, saying it is too early to panic about the aftermath. Today, Jerome Powell is carrying on with his semi-annual testimony before Congress. His speech is the highlight of the week, which is sure to influence the market sentiment on the US dollar. Meanwhile, risky assets perked up amid growing appetite for risk. Nevertheless, they are still fragile to develop a steady uptrend. It means that investors are still doubtful that China has discovered far-sure treatment for the deadly coronavirus. So investors avoid risky bets amid such uncertain developments. The single European currency halted its decline versus the US dollar at near 1.09. However, it is still risky to buy the euro-dollar pair. The Eurostat reported on dismal worse-than-expected contraction in the Eurozone's industrial production. The ECB officials warn that the coronavirus from China could deal a devastating blow to the EU economy in the short term. The currencies of large oil exporters such as Canada and Norway incur heavy losses. The Norwegian krone has shed 5% of its value since early January. Lately, the Canadian dollar tested a 4-month low. Yesterday, the loonie gained ground following a sharp rise in oil prices. Today, it is extending strength, having sank deeply below 1.33 against its American counterpart. The US dollar is drifting high versus the Japanese yen. The dollar-yen pair has nearly approached 110 points in the North American trade. That is all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.